Hey everyone, it's Nicole Lakin. I'm here at the Escondido Trails and Waterfalls. It's February 1st and I have a challenge for my clients is to come here to this waterfall by the end of the month. So you have 27 days. So far, Anthony's done it, Styles done it,
Hey.
and we've seen the waterfall. So you have your challenge. Let me know. I'll see you guys soon.
You better be close. You know what I need, babe. Get your ass in there. You better be home.
That's like the worst.
Ow!
Friend Anthony here's stuck. Help! I'm trying to help him, but it's quite far for me to reach. Give me your strong hand, Anthony.
Like it.
There's something in the brushes. Oh! Cole's peeing.
Oh, bugger.
And if you can see a little of what I see, you can kind of understand. I think you like it. I think you love it. When I freak out like a child, you think it's funny. You call me crazy, but that's okay. See, I know you, you know me. This is how it should be. You better get high before them streetlights come on. You better be home before them streetlights come on. Illuminate. Ooh, don't take this long, baby. No, I'm not threatening you. I just want your love. You're like a drug that I'm so damn addicted to.
Hello, mates. This is a wild one here on my trail to Escondido Falls. Here we go. This is my mate here. His name is
Tinkerbell.
Tinkerbell, I say. Tinkerbell Herbalife Tinkerbell. He's a quite wild one. He likes to pop out every now and then. Say hello to the people, Tinkerbell.
Hello, people. I am Tinkerbell. I drank Herbalife this morning.
Yes, you heard it itself. He said he drank Herbalife. Say it again, Tinkerbell.
I said I drank Herbalife 24, bitch.